Okay, Bitcoin dominance is something that I think I want to cover today. We haven't covered it in a few days just because there's sometimes no need, but Bitcoin dominance is quite important. We're going to be covering that now. Right. So something that I've been saying for a while is if we go on the monthly, and this is very important, for me, the monthly, I wanted to see this bounce. So we had 2 months of selling off or Bitcoin dominance dropping, and we needed to see Bitcoin dominance move back up here. It's hit this key level, which I thought was going to be 61, kind of went a little bit higher to 63, 64 because of the unexpected volatility in the event of the 10th. But from here, we are in a situation where we can really build an alt season. This is why I think November is key. We can really build here for alts to perform well. Now, whether we get a gap, some sort of fill around this wick, and we go all the way up here again before that happens, or we get it straight away, I don't know. And I'm working on that every day, trying to figure out what the markets will do. This is the reason why I do these daily shows, because I want to give you guys clarity on what I'm thinking and how I'm looking at the markets and making decisions. But the key here is we break under 59 again, the 60 again, we are going short Bitcoin in the sense that we will be prioritizing altcoins. I think altcoins will do really well. And we are going a little bit more aggressive on altcoins. Okay. If that doesn't happen, then we could be seeing altcoins suffering with Bitcoin still gaining, or a little bit of, more dominance with Bitcoin. So maybe we position ourselves more aggressively in Bitcoin. We have to see. But personally, I think without getting that break below 50, very, very difficult for the markets to move in that direction. If we see the weekly here, maybe we go to 60, get a rejection around this 20 MA level, and then we move back down to 54 and the other levels, okay? We need to move down here. We need the market to have capital circulating into alts for us to get an alt season. There's other things that I've seen some of our community members talk about, USDT dominance. And there's also, I think there was the others chart as well, comparing that. But personally, this is the problem. So, and I'll go into the dollar as well. The dollar looks like it might strengthen. Logically speaking, it should strengthen a little bit. So if the dollar strengthens, our alts and our crypto is going to move up or down. Probabilities are that we're going to move down. Okay. This is why I'm being so cautious here. Very, very careful with my decision making. Just waiting for the market to do the hard work and decide for me. There is no pressure for me to buy. There's no pressure for me to trade crypto. We're making money in stocks and picking the right stocks, and we're going to try and time crypto at the perfect time for that alt season, if we even have it. Okay. If we even have it. And because we could easily go short. So the dollar doesn't really make me feel confident that we end up going long on crypto. I think the dollar, we could see a break up here, especially after this kind of consolidation that we've seen, a bit of a head and shoulder pattern on the weekly. We have, temporarily we could see a little bit of a drop on the dollar and then a rise up again. But on the weekly, it does not give me confidence here. And I might be wrong. Again, this is me just kind of running through discussing my thoughts with you guys, so that you can so you understand what I'm looking at. But yeah, here you go. This is the situation now. On the monthly, we can see USDT suffering a little bit, but USDT's always had a rise just because there's more being created. And on the monthly, it looks like it's on the verge of breaking that 50 level on the RSI, showing some strength and the relative strength coming in here. You have to be very, very careful, okay? This is a key moment in crypto. I think I'll leave it with that.